Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm making Nutella donuts. In a bowl, add in your flour, sugar, and yeast. Mix everything together well and set it aside. Into the bowl of your stand mixer, add in your warm milk, melted butter, oil, and egg. Beat everything together using a fork or a whisk. Then add in all of the flour and add on your dough hook attachment. Allow the mixer to run on medium-low till everything is fully incorporated. Then allow it to run for an additional 3 to 4 minutes to knead the dough. The end result will be a slightly sticky dough. Transfer the dough into a greased bowl and oil your hands to transfer the dough. That will make it easier. Cover with a piece of cling film and allow the dough to rise in a warm place for 1 hour. Remove the cling film and lightly flour your surface. Turn the dough out onto the flour. Sprinkle on a little bit more flour onto the top, then turn the dough into itself. This will make it easier to handle. Flatten out the dough and divide into 8 pieces as equally as you can. Take each piece of dough and divide it into half. Spread one half out into a rough circle onto a piece of wax wrap. Add on your Nutella in the middle, and I'm using about a teaspoon. Spread out the remaining piece of dough and place it on top. Use a round cutter to cut off the excess and remove it. Then place the donut onto a tray lined with wax wrap. Cover with a piece of cling film and allow it to rest for 10 minutes. Remove the cling film and use a scissor to cut the wax wrap around each donut. Use the wax wrap to transfer the donuts into about 3 centimeters of oil. Completely submerge the wax wrap into the oil and it should release quite easily. Turn the donuts back and forth. Fry it on medium-low till they are a deep brown color. Remove them from the oil and drain on some paper towels. Add on an optional sprinkling of icing sugar. And they're ready to serve. Enjoy guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.